Hello guys, this is me before I do the challenge. I just gotta say, I did not make this challenge idea. Superhero ABC did, and he's gonna be helping me with this challenge. So if you would like to go and check out his YouTube channel, that would be greatly appreciated. And yeah, I'll see you in the video. Hey, what's going on guys? CodedMC here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel for you guys today. And today we are here with Superhero ABC. And today we're going to be doing a challenge. It's called the Boat Challenge. Superhero actually did a challenge like this before, but he deleted it off his YouTube channel, and his channel link will be down in the description. So, let's get on to it. Basically, what we're going to do is, we get ecologist, I think that's how you say it, and we craft boats, and every time we kill a person, we do something. I don't know.
What?
I don't know. I haven't done this challenge, and I need a crafting. Oh, here's one. Okay. Wait, Superhero, are you doing the challenge as well?
Yeah, also being sandwiched.
Boats, love them.
No!
I got like
the guy from behind, and then the guy snowballed him into me.
Oh, I killed someone with a boat. I literally killed someone with a boat. That is surprising.
The funniest part is when they kill you, and then you just see their
I know.
face with like all the boats.
If I actually kill this one Steve guy, if I kill this guy right here, legend. Okay, I was going to say, like, what the heck happened? Okay. I get armor and stuff, but I just can't get weapons. Okay, I got, like, 0 more challenges to do, so that's... everybody's so decked out, and there's a big hero right here. If I make this jump, I'm a legend. If I kill this guy, I'm a legend. With just a boat. Oh. That's if though, that's a big if. Oh my goodness, dude, take some knockback, thank you! It's just me versus this Steve guy. Where? I think I'm allowed to use eggs, I think. Am I?
Yeah.
Cool!
I mean, you basically, changed the challenge completely from, its roots where you're only allowed to use the boat and blocks.
First of all, the only way to win I don't know. Like, this looks pretty painful. This guy, like, if I kill him right here, right now, with just a boat, I'm gonna be so sorry for this kid. All these guys do is, no, boat, no, boat. Did I? I'm better than Superhero. I'm better than Superhero. Did you die?
I did, because I didn't care.
If I win this like the last round, yeah. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 2, 1. Chest pre-fail. Sweet. Oh. Terrible loot. Just, he has the freak fire aspect. I can't beat that. Oh wait, no. 5 minutes remaining. No! Wait!
This guy's rushing me even though I have a boat. This is unfair.
Luckily,
I keep getting rushed.
Well, you gotta beat him. That's like the only way. This guy, like, has so much stuff. At least for me. Like, I only have, like, chain leggings. And you died, like, right at the start.
I hate Minecraft. It's gay.
If I kill her... Oh! Okay, if she lies back again, I'm going to kill her. Aww. Oh, there's a fire aspect sword in there. I can't take it, though. There's like... Oh, that's so annoying. No. Dang. What? Oh
Lel.
Dude, boy, I can't help it. I love saying lol.
Maybe I won't get rushed this time.
I mean, I want to kill someone with a bow. I want it to be you, but do I not have any projectiles? Please tell me I have some projectiles. I don't have any projectiles. Where's the other chest? Where is the third? Wait a second. Is it all the way up? No, it's right here.
Yeah, you're wasting your time on stuff that's already unimportant.
Oh no. Dude,
No, I'm doing this the hard-fashioned way. I'm not using any armor, so I'm doing more than you.
Okay, you want me to do this the old-fashioned way? Okay, let's do this the old-fashioned way then. Okay, I got a special weapon. I got a super special weapon. No! Oh, I'm dying. Oh, that guy took no knockback. No. I want to 1v1 you for some reason. I just do. Okay, I got an idea. Stay at your island so that no one, like, kills us. I have a boat. Hang on. I have a boat. What you got, boy? I got a boat. And skill.
Okay, well, if they rush from mid...
Dude, this guy's gonna kill me! No! Oh. Actually, kill this guy. The guy who killed you. I will be a legend! I won! But, anyways, guys, that's gonna be it for this video here. I really
Wait, no. Before you end up the episode...
What?
Look in guild chat.
Okay, what's in guild chat?
Look at it.
1.3 for MCBF. What? What? I don't know what you're talking about.
1, 2, 3 for Minecraft picture.
Oh my goodness. Anyways, guys, that's gonna be it for this episode here. I really hope you guys do enjoy watching this video, and please, just subscribe to my channel, and Superhero ABC's link will be in the description, and yeah.